Hi, good morning. Kebs Roger. Good morning. Walking exercise tayo guys. Happy blessed Sunday everyone. To my viewers. Good morning. And Marcelo, hello. Thank you for joining my live. Walking exercise tayo guys. Diba? Happy blessed Sunday guys. Ito tayo. Lakad-lakad lang. Mainit. Mainit masyado. Pero sige, go lang tayo. Lakad lang tayo more. Tatawid tayo sa stoplight. Naka-face mask ako. Mahangin dito guys. Pero okay lang. Naka-t-shirt na ako. Check my... flex ko lang yung aking t-shirt guys. Ang ganda niya, diba? Check my yellow basket guys. Ayan. Hi po. Hello. Good morning. Morning. Oh my god, we have to go right now. Wait lang guys. Go. Ay, gabo. Wait lang. Lalakad lang kami kasi ano yun. Stop lang kami. Hi, good morning. Welcome. Welcome to my live, everyone. Ano tayo? Lakad tayo. Walking exercise tayo again. Exercise ko kayo. Ay, dito. I-exercise ko kayo, guys. Antonio Malang. Hello, good morning. Marcelo underscore Junior, good morning. Welcome to my live, everyone. Welcome to my live, guys. Live tayo. Yan yung aking partner. Partner in galaan. Nakapayong pa talaga siya. Nakapayong. Hi, hello, Terry. Terry? Hindi ko makita. Kailangan ko ilapit talaga yung mata ko. Good morning. Welcome to my live, Terry. Good morning. Ano lang, short live lang po ta. Short live. While walking. While walking. Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to my live. Bong, hello, good morning. Happy blessed Sunday. Happy blessed Sunday. Wait, there's some car. Oh my god. Bigisan na natin guys. Mag-ahat kasi may dadaan. May dadaan na ano. Na doon. May kotse. Wala kaming kotse guys. Naglalakad lang kami. Kasi nag-walking circle kami. Every ano. Hi, hello. Good morning. Liza. Good morning, Liza. Welcome to my live. Happy blessed Sunday. We're walking right now for ano, exercise. Yun lang yung alam kong sabihin. Eliasar, good morning. Eliasar lang pa. Good morning. Welcome to my live. To my all viewers, thank you for watching. Luna and hindi ko makita. Oh my god, there's a car. Oh, let's go. Master. Welcome to my live, guys. Dito tayo sa ano. Sa daanan eh. Luna and Cassie. Hi, hello, welcome to my live. To all my viewers, welcome to my live. Thank you for watching, everyone. Lakad ko na lang kayo.
Ano ba pinibilisan mo?
Mag-green na. Anong ko kayo guys? I-walking exercise ko kayo. Oh my god. Naririnig nyo yung parang ano, bird ano, seagull. Kasi kailangan namin magmadali kasi ano na, stoplight. Good morning po. Joy, hello, good morning. Happy blessed Sunday. Thank you for joining. Hindi ko makita. Anong araw kasi. ko makita yung sa phone. Ayan. Welcome po sa mga nag-watching sa live. Piniplex ko yung t-shirt ko, guys. Tsaka yung trouser. trouser na suot ko. Yung pants. Ang hirap kasi dito. Kailangan ko mista. Shen Hang. Welcome to my life. Hello. I miss. I miss you. Sir JM, hello. Good morning, welcome to my live. Narinig niyo ba ako, guys? Thank you for watching, everyone. Oh my God, there's a bird. Thank you for joining, for watching, just walking around. Walking exercise. Oh, mainit pa, guys. Yeah. Wala kasi kaming kotse. Kaya nag-walking kami. Magandang tulong dito sa katawan natin. Magpayong po. At okay lang po yung init. Para neutral yung init. Tsaka lamig kasi malamig-lamig konti. Where are you going? I'm going to buy something. To walking exercise. Tatabi tayo, guys. There's a car, no? Baka kasi may kotse. Mahirap na. Are you going to buy something?
Ngayon ko may pulis na.
Nasaan? Oo nga, my God. Teka lang. Dito tayo. Magsi-CR daw si El. So, stop muna tayo, guys. Mag-aano muna tayo. Mag-CR. Okay lang po. Salamat. Di na po ako magpapayong. Ay, CR daw yung anak ko. Where's the CR? Sa loob? Ay, yun. Mag-CR daw yung anak ko. CR muna siya. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining my live, everyone. Anata dake? Daijoubu? Pushi ka?
No?
Nani?
No, sir.
Ay. Mag-CR lang ako. Ay, hindi po. Ay, dito na ako sa labas. Sa tumate. Hi ako. Mag-aano lang yung magsasalamin lang yun, guys. Thank you for the like. For the tap, for the heart. Thank you so much. Tatak ni Juan. Hello, welcome to my life. Nandun yung anak ko. Nag-aayos ng damit niya. Natanggal ata. Okay na? Ay, Joe. Are you going to buy something? What are you going to buy?
I'm going to River May.
Ah, yes. I hope. I want,
Ano ba?
I have to buy, for the spaghetti. Thank you for the tap. Thank you for the like, guys. Thank you so much. Pwede ba ito dyan? Nakaano tayo? Bibili muna kami dito. Wait, I will get this one. Bibili muna kami. Yes, there's no jeepney here and tricycle. We have to walk. Here, wait. Have to buy this one. 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 ground beef. I have to buy the ground beef. I want to make ground beef. I have to buy the ground beef. I want to make our lunch. What's that? How much is that? And then you change that one,
Pero I want this kasi
My daughter want to this one. We're going to buy some. 178? Oh, yeah, no. And then, there's no sale here. We find the sale. So, there's, sa sale tayo guys, kakapit syempre. Hanap tayo ng, tingnan natin yung price guys, nandiyo sa likod ko. Alright. We're going to buy something. Here, what's this? The cheapest one. The sale one. Three for, ayan yung 3 for ano, hindi. Hindi. Gusto ko yung squid. I want the squid. You know guys, I have my favorite dito. The food one. Wait, where's the squid? I have my favorite one here. Here. So yung mugicha. Ito ako yung mugicha na lang. Ano yung masarap yung mugicha na lang? Ano yung masarap dito? Ito ata yung masarap. This one. I want to buy this one. So, let's go. Oh my God, ang sarap ng raisin. I want that raisin also. I want that raisin. Wait lang. Okay. Are you going to pay that?
me or gold.
Me? I don't have money. Are you going to pay that now? Yeah. I have avocado. We're going to pay now, guys. I have my own. Hey, baby, get this one. Kunin mo. Meron kang ano? Tag 1,000 po. Ay, card?
Okay na lang. Salamat.
Card? Ano? Daijoubu? Daijoubu. Ay, akin na yung 1,000 ko.
Salamat.
Ano tayo? Ganyan tayo. Lalagyan tayo. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Malabas na tayo. Nakabili ang init, guys. Light underscore is you. Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to my live. Bye lang tayo guys here kasi magluluto kami ng lunch. Aray ko, wait lang. Aray ko. Siyempre, walking tayo. Ang gulo ng ano ko guys, no? Ang gulo ng live ko. Kayo na lang mag-adjust. Good morning. Welcome to my live, everyone. Can you check my t-shirt, guys? Ang ganda nito, guys. At saka yung trouser nito. Ang ganda, guys, later. Kaya, ano ko, guys. Check my yellow basket, guys. Okay, mabili na kayo, guys. Oh my God, what's that? I don't know what's that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Maraming... Ay, morning, madam. Morning. Good morning. Morning. Welcome to my live. Ruji, hello, good morning. Thank you for the tap. Thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Welcome to my live. Nagdaan na kami, bumili kasi kami ng pang spaghetti. Mag-spaghetti kami. Thank you for the like. Thank you so much. Thank you for my 1 viewers. Oh my God, nakago na kami guys. We have to run. We have to run and run. Takbo. Oh my God, there's a car. There's a car.
Ba't ka nagbaw?
Gago. Okay lang yan. Napamura pa talaga yun. Kahit nakamas, maganda pa rin ako. Thank you so much. Hindi po. Thank you so much. Napapamura ako kasi doon. Tatakbo kayo. Sensya na. My bad. My bad talaga. Thank you. Kamas po kami kasi. Uso po kasi yung sipon ngayon. Sipon, ubo. Kaya kailangan, lagi ka naka-face mask. For the respect for other people, diba? Ayan. Mainit na. Kaya naka-t-shirt ako. Check my t-shirt, guys. Ang ganda nito. Buy one, get one free to. Oo. Ayan, dito tayo sa ilog. Ang ganda ng ilog dito. Ay, ang taas ng tubig. Ito ang taas ng tubig. Taas ba? Dito tayo sa kawa. Lakad pa tayo, guys. Thank you for staying my live, Ruji. Hey, Francisco. Thank you so much. Happy blessed Sunday to you. Nagsimba na po ba kayo? Hinihingal ka na, madam. Ano yan? Tanggalin ko na yung mask ko. Tanggalin ko na talaga. Oh my, hinihingal na ako eh. Kailangan kasi nakamas. So, din pa yung kasama ko rin nakamas. Oo, kasi nakakahinga. Kasi kanina pa kami naglalakad. Oo. Okay lang yan. Kaya pa yan. Exercise. Ay, matagal ka nang di nagsimba.
Baba mo kasi face mask mo. Bago mo.
Sabi ng anak ko, baba ko daw yung face mask ko. Eh, kasi naiya akong pangit-pangit ko pa kung face mask.
Baba mo lang hanggang ilong.
Hanggang ilang naman. Matulong yung sipon ko. Yan, ganyan. Yung ilong lang talaga. Eyes and nose. Tagal nyo na po. Magsimba po kayo o kahit minsan din. Okay lang po. Catholic po ba kayo, sir? Ah, hingal ako. Catholic po ba kayo? Lagay ko na sa ilong ko. Pangit ang ilong ko. Pango. Pango talaga. No. Ayan. Nagdadry na yung buhang ako. Aray ko. Okay lang. Hi, hello, Moises. Dollar, good evening. Yeah. Tinahin ko lang, nakikita ko na rupaminkinto. Grabe sa rupaminkinto talaga. Sige, pagpatawan na nga ako. Go, go, go na. Go, go, go for the walk. For the walk. For the win. Okay lang. Ilang mahirap kasi. Lakad lang lakad. Kailangan natin maglakad. For the heart. For the exercise. Tumataba na kasi ako. Exploring fashion. Instead, morning chats with... Ha? Go, go, go na tayo. Sige. Oh, I cannot accept the co-host, co-guest right now because I'm just using the data, internet right now. Sorry. Meron kasing gustong pumasok sa live. Hindi ako pwede may co-host right now. I'm so sorry, guys. Nasa labas kasi ako. So, yung internet, mahina lang. Nakiki-internet lang ako, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Actually, piniplex ko lang tong t-shirt ko, guys. Check my yellow basket. Ang cute niya kasi, diba? Pati yung trouser nito, guys. Ang cute ng trouser nito. Mamaya, ano ko. Pakita ko yung trouser. Ang hirap kasi. Wala kang magbibideo sa akin. Nakapatakin mo. Puwis na yung aking kilay. Ang init. Hello, morning. Boyen. Boyen? Good morning. Welcome to my live. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying my live. Si Nani nag-exercise si Nana. Bye-bye mo. Bye-bye mo na, ingat ka. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, mag-iingat ako lagi. Yan. Dapat na exercise pa more. Ganito ginagawa namin. Lagi kami nag-exercise, guys. Exercise. Thank you for the tap. Thank you so much. Sa guitar, you're so 6. Dito lang po, malapit lang po to sa inyo. Malapit lang po to sa inyo. Welcome to my live. Good morning. Thank you for the like sa guitarist. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for the tap. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Sa bahay nila. Nakikitira lang po ako. Good morning. Happy blessed Sunday to all of you guys. So, exercise lang, walking exercise. Bigat ng mga bag ko. Alam niyo guys, so I'm side to side is my bag ako. Ayan. Thank you so much. Hatid mo ako sana pero malayo. Oo nga eh. Okay lang. Mas okay yung maglakad para ma-exercise ako. Yun ang kailangan ko, broken hearted ako. Kaya kailangan ko mag-exercise. Broken hearted talaga na. Morning. Happy blessed Sunday. Hello po. Morning. Hindi ko makita masyado kasi maaraw, masinag masyado. Take care. Yan si tatay. Exercise talaga namin ito, mag-walking. Walking lang. Ayan, i-end ko ng aking vlog, guys. Aking live. Sorry. End ko na yung aking live, guys. See you later. Magla-live ako ulit later. Kasi kausuhin ko muna yung 4 na anak ko. Magluluto ako ng lunch. Happy blessed Sunday to all of you guys. Thank you for watching. my 2 viewers for staying my live. Thank you so much. Happy blessed Sunday to all of you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.